The Primus brand believes in innovations that support the sustainable development of our planet. That's why our European designers have worked tirelessly in recent years to innovate and significantly improve Primus tumble dryers in terms of energy consumption, efficiency, and connectivity. And therefore, today, we're proud to introduce the new generation of Primus TX Series industrial tumble dryers, the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology and environmental responsibility. Let's have a look at the top 10 reasons that make the new Primus TX dryers stand out above the competition. Welcome higher performance with a smaller footprint. Our optimized airflow ensures higher efficiency, shorter drying times, and lower energy consumption. Thanks to improved sealing, heat loss is now minimized, ensuring maximum efficiency. Say hello to a larger 360-liter drum, which increases the capacity of the tumbler from 16 to 18 kilograms. This change offers a better match with the washers, providing even greater output. Our frequency inverter-controlled motors provide higher efficiency and flexible speeds with reverse drum rotation as a standard function. Our innovative drive belt tensioning system requires no tightening, so it maintains optimum tension throughout the entire life of the dryer. Our electroconductivity-based moisture sensing ensures higher accuracy and prevents over-drying. We've also focused on perfecting ergonomics, from the placement of the controls to the improved door handle to the intuitive touchscreen, making operations easier than ever. The ergonomically designed lint filter drawer makes cleaning easy and features magnets for easy handling. With better access to important parts of the dryer, we've made it easier to install and maintain. The uniform design of all Primus washers and dryers gives your laundry room that professional look. So you've seen it. The Primus TX tumble dryers combine advanced technology, user-friendly design, and unrivaled efficiency. They're here to revolutionize your laundry operation. The Primus TX Series.